At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a keychain business can be an exciting venture. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Understand your target market. Who are your potential customers? What type of keychains are they interested in? What are their preferences and buying behaviors? 2. Identify your niche. Keychains come in various shapes, sizes, and materials. Determine what type of keychains you want to specialize in. It could be novelty keychains, personalized keychains, handmade keychains, or keychains for specific hobbies or interests. 3. Create a business plan. Outline your business goals, target market, marketing strategies, budget, and financial projections. A well-thought-out business plan will guide you through the startup phase and help you secure funding if needed. 4. Choose a business model. Decide whether you want to manufacture the keychains yourself or outsource production to suppliers. Consider factors like cost, quality control, and scalability. 5. Source materials and suppliers. Research suppliers for materials such as metal, plastic, leather, or fabric depending on the type of keychains you plan to produce. Establish relationships with reliable suppliers who offer competitive prices and quality materials. 6. Design your keychains. Create unique and eye-catching designs that appeal to your target market. Consider factors like durability, functionality, and aesthetics. If you're not a designer yourself, you can hire freelance designers or work with design agencies. 7. Prototyping. Develop prototypes of your keychain designs to test their functionality and aesthetics. Gather feedback from potential customers and make any necessary revisions before moving forward with mass production. 8. Manufacturing. Once you're satisfied with the prototypes, proceed with mass production. Whether you're manufacturing in-house or outsourcing, ensure that the quality standards are met. 9. Branding and packaging. Develop a strong brand identity for your keychain business, including a memorable logo, brand colors, and packaging design. Your packaging should not only protect the keychains, but also enhance the perceived value of your products. 10. Set up distribution channels. Determine how you will sell your keychains. You can sell them online through your own website or e-commerce platforms like Etsy, Amazon, or eBay. You can also explore selling through retail stores, craft fairs, or wholesale to other businesses. 11. Marketing and promotion. Create a marketing strategy to promote your keychain business. Utilize social media platforms, influencer marketing, email newsletters, and SEO to reach your target audience. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new customers. 12. Launch your business. Once everything is in place, launch your keychain business with a bang. Host a launch event, run promotions, and engage with your audience to generate excitement and buzz around your brand. 13. Monitor and adapt. Keep track of your sales, customer feedback, and market trends. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and products based on the evolving needs and preferences of your customers. Starting a keychain business requires creativity, determination, and attention to detail, but with the right planning and execution, it can be a rewarding venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.